Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The right to information has seen a massive increase in acceptance across the globe in the past 20 years. The number of countries which have adopted such a law has increased to nearly 100. Right to information enables greater government accountability, facilitates the citizens' participation, and lends transparency to government functioning. It leads to a fundamental change in relations between the citizen and the government. In India, a sea change can be seen in the systems of governance and the attitude of government agencies since adoption of the Right to Information Act. Also, a clear attitudinal change is visible in public authorities dealing with matters concerning public services and citizens' expectations. It is also seen that citizens' expectations have changed in the past decade and more from a once in a 5 years exercise of electoral choice. The citizen now expects to be regularly consulted in matters directly concerning him. The RTI Act adopted by India in 2005 fully recognizes this by making it mandatory for the central and state governments to not only make available certain specified information suo motu to the public but also to publish all relevant facts while formulating important policies or announcing decisions which affect public. Administrative authorities are also required to provide reasons for administrative or quasi-judicial decisions to affected persons. When the Chief Information Commissioner Shri Radhakrishna Mathur came to invite me to inaugurate this convention, he informed me that such conventions have been held right from 2006. The conventions have attracted enthusiastic participation from the state information commissioners, public authorities, students, researchers, civil society representatives, and the media. Today, I see an impressive gathering of persons interested in taking this movement forward. Shri Mathur has further informed me that the Central Information Commission has been holding its annual conventions with different themes to discuss issues that arises in implementation of the RTI Act. From the inception, the Commission has discussed diverse topics such as the need for maximum suo motu disclosures, promotion of open government, enforcement of the orders of the commissions, and penal clause in case of non-compliance of orders, need for a strategy specific to rural areas, role of media and civil society in promoting RTI, role of political leadership, RTI and public-private partnership projects, etc. The conventions have also concentrated on taking stock of information of the RTI Act across the country. Stop. Thank you.